Okay guys, we're going to do a little bit of a review. Something that we've been wanting to add to our travel equipment is a dash cam. We've looked and looked and looked, and a lot of times when we go to like Sam's or Costco to try to pick one up, because that's where we'll buy a lot of our stuff, they haven't had any in stock. We're at the Walmart in Yakima, Washington, and they had these Nextbase dash cams in stock. I paid for this, I paid $199 plus tax, and I bought the 256 gig micro SD, so that way we would have a lot more memory in it because we drive so much. I bought this one because it's a little bit of a bundle, and what made it a little bit different from the individual cameras was, one, it came with a 32 gig SD card. It also has the magnetic system, so we can hook it, to different points in the car if we wish. It's got a front cam, it's got a rear cam. 320 RSD rear cam bundle. I don't know anything about these. The guy in there had never used one, so this is kind of like a purchase that I haven't done any YouTube research. I don't know exactly what I'm buying, other than I know what I want, which is a dash cam. It's got this little sleeve on the box. It's got a little bit of tape here on the inner box. Let me go ahead and just open this thing up. It's got a nice package. Real sticky. Stick that to the box. And then let's see, the box has the two cameras, and it says it's got the 320 XR dash cam, the rear window camera, front and rear 1080p full HD video. It's got click and go pro mount, high definition IPS screen. It's got the intelligent parking mode, which is something I wanted, because when the car is just parked, the cameras will come on if someone bumps the car or whatever. What else has it got here? It's got the USB cable. It's got a 12 volt, 24 volt power cable. It's got an 8-meter cable. It's got a spare window mount, a window sticker, and a quick start guide. Alright, let's check it out. See what they gave us. See what we bought. Okay, there's the micro SD that comes with it. Quick start guide. Here is the sticker. I don't know if we'll put that on the car. We'll probably put that on our camp stove. It's got this little thank you card, which has a little bit of warranty information, different languages. It's got the camera in this little foam package, and then the camera itself is inside this plastic bag. It's probably the front camera right there. It's got a lens protector there and a lens protector there. This is the rear window camera. This one is going to have a plug-in adapter. It's probably what that 8-meter camera is for. It's got a 3M sticker here, so it's probably just an adhesive. And then this will swivel once you mount it. So we'll probably mount it somewhere and then we'll be able to maneuver the camera. I'll probably end up buying a second one, because I'd like to have the rear camera, but I also like to have a third camera here, for especially if we ever get pulled over or when we go through checkpoints. We can just have the camera recording versus making it obscenely obvious that we're holding a camera in some over, excitable police officer or something. Okay, this looks like another camera mount in this bag. They got this stuff packaged up pretty nice. So it's got the 3M adhesive sticker there. looks like a charger cable, and it's got that bigger kind of, I don't know what you call that, but that's kind of that big fat input instead of like a USB-C. Here's the 8-meter cable. This one probably goes to the back of the car for the rear cam. And then this looks like charger cable. It says stop for, please charge the dash cam for at least 2 hours indoors before use. Please use a supplied USB cable and a compatible 5V charger in order to retain the daytime and other user settings. So they want you to charge it up before you use it. And then it's got this little scraper looking thing. And then it's got some wipies. It's got a dry wipe and a wet wipe, 2 of those with a lens cloth. And another adhesive pad. So I don't know if that's a good sign that those adhesive pads wear out and you have to replace them. So we'll have to find out, or we'll have to figure out another way of doing that, because I don't know that I'm going to spend a lot of money on 3M adhesive pads to keep my camera stuck to my windows. Alright, so that's the unboxing of the Nextbase dash cam that we bought at Walmart. We'll install it and we'll do a video as